why you are nobody, nobody's perfect in this world. Everyone is imperfections, but we are all from God, so we must always be happy, be confident, because we are all made by God. Always remember that nobody is perfect. Provitor Hakho 9342. Be happy. You have blessings that some people don't see, but God sees our blessings in our life. We can see the world, we can see people, we must be happy. Don't say goodbye. Talk to me. We're friends. I do appreciate you for coming here. And always remember, everybody's loved by God. No matter who you are, you are made by God. Wonderful,